Find the best portable air conditioners with heater in 2018 at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. I am going to review the top 8 best portable air conditioners with heater on the market in 2018. 8. Della Evaporative Portable Air Conditioning Unit with a heater. Good cooling and heating, very portable and lightweight, elegant and easy to operate, energy efficient and low noise level. 7. LG Electronics LP1414SHR Air Conditioning Unit with a heater. Covers a large area, easy to operate, user-friendly and responsive LCD control panel, full function remote control. 6. Whynter AC14SH Dual Hose Portable Air Con with heater. 3 variable fan speeds, high performance and quiet, easy to operate, good cooling and heating. 5. Whynter 12,000 BTUs Dual Hose Movable Air Conditioner with heater, frost white extendable intake and exhaust hoses. Good cooling and heating, space-saving design, energy efficient band quiet operation. 4. EdgeStar AP1414SHR Air Conditioner with heater. Colorful and elegant styling, very practical and reliable, good construction quality, good coverage and energy efficient. 3. North Storm Air Conditioner, heater, and dehumidifier. Covers a fairly large area, reliable cooling, heating, and dehumidifying, easy to move, energy efficient and powerful. 2. BLACK+DECKER Compact 12 HWT Air Conditioner with heater. Simple design and very reliable, good size and weight. Covers a fairly large area, quiet operation and user-friendly remote control. 1. Koldfront WOC250001W 25,000 BTUs Air Conditioner with heater, white, very good heating and cooling, energy efficient and reliable. Covers a very large area, low noise and smooth operation. Thanks for watching. Click the description for price and details, and you can also find links of the product in description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.